Just walk around now after the job. All cleaned. Just still drying out. Nice and clean. Put the bench back. Still drying. Just come out spotless, this has. Absolutely. It's an insect. Look at that. Spotless. Still drying out. Chemical treated. That's the rust spots. We'll come back for that. We'll have it on board. But everywhere else, it's going to look nice, this is. You might even seal it. Gravel boards were treated. Don't even pressure wash them. Just put some sodium hypochlorite on it. It'll look nice, isn't it? Back up here, we'll clean the walls for them. Back out. Job's a good one. Now go away. There we go. Boys just packing away.